Here is the first version of Angry Birds Space. Angry Birds Space is a now deleted game by Rovio. It is the fifth game in the Angry Birds series. It was also featured in some NASA videos. Angry Birds Space was released in March 2012 and sadly deleted in February 2022 alongside Angry Birds, Rio and Star Wars. It was up for 7 years, 10 months, 1 week and 5 days. Unlike the previous versions, this game is no longer flat. It consists of the Angry Birds shooting themselves at the pigs that are on different planets.